be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step and foot in them sneaker stores. Like, where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never would have seen you.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Roth TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. Alright, now this one right here is not my pair. Alright, this is not my shoe. I have to send it off to my big brother. Alright, me and him, we negotiated a deal when these released, when the reimagined Jordan 1 Royals released. My brother got early access for these bad boys and I didn't. So he ordered them for me and shipped them to me. That's how I was able to get these. Alright. Granted, these are sitting everywhere and it would have been an easy cop, but he did use his early access to be able to get them for me since I didn't get it. So I said, since you got me these, I will get you what we have today. Alright? So let's go ahead and get into it, man. Let me grab the box here. Boom. Alright. Get the shank for the unboxing. Make sure not to show you all my address. Turn that way. Alright, let's go ahead and get into these. And boom. Alright. Kind of shocked that it's in this box. That's a little shocking to me. I was not expecting that box. I haven't watched too many unboxings of this shoe, so I don't know what I'm expecting for real. So let's go ahead and get into it. Alright. Here we are. Jordan box. Boom. Nothing on that side. Nothing on this side. And then you have the gold 2-3 on that side. Alright. These are the Air Jordan 11 Retro. Alright. Colorway white, metallic gold, and black. Okay. And I got these bad boys for him in a size 13. Alright. You see the gold open tab there. The bottom's white. Alright, just in case you all got these and they're on the way and you want to make sure they're legit, or if you are planning to get them when they officially release here in a few weeks. Alright. But I passed on these for now. For right now, I passed on these, and I'll show you why here in just a second. But let's go ahead and get into them, man. Ooh, okay. Okay, is that... Which way am I supposed to be looking at that? I can't even see which way. Anyway, so this is, you open up the box. Boom. Alright. There you have that. So I'm really not sure what that says on the inside there, but maybe it's a different language for saying thank you, showing your appreciation, showing your gratitude. Alright. So when you open it up and you see the wrapping, the paper here, there's a bunch of different ways of saying thank you. It actually says thank you. Gracias, you know, whole bunch of things like that, whole bunch of ways of saying thank you on the paper. Alright, so now let's go ahead and get into these. But of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Roth TV. Not bad. Not bad. Pretty clean, in fact. Left. shoe first, baby. Yeah. The Air Jordan 11 Gratitude. Alright. These initially were the Air Jordan 11, the DMPs. Alright, when they released in the DMP pack, and they had the Defining Moment pack. And when they had the gold Jumpman there. And you see the Jumpman here, gold there. Alright. The 2-3 on the back in the gold. And now you got the higher cut patent leather. Very nice. Very nice. Not mad at that at all. And they did the uppers. They did the uppers different. Where this is all, it's not like that softer, I want to say mesh, but the softer materials that usually is on the uppers of the Jordan 11. That's not what is on these. It is a leather. It's like a tumbled leather all throughout the upper. Alright, you see that there? Looks like a softer. Nope, that's not softer up there, but it is tumbled all the way through. Oh yeah, the tongue. The tongue is definitely softer. I'm trying not to open it up and do everything because this isn't my pair, like I said. But yeah, let me try to sneak on in here. Quality basketball product created in gratitude by the greatest player ever. All right. And then you have your rope laces. These are like some of my favorite laces on Jordans. I love when they put these laces, mainly on 11s, but I love these laces because it's like the basketball net. That's how a basketball net would feel. That tongue is just really soft. The gold, see if I can open that up. The gold 2-3 on the inside, on the insole there. Let me tuck that back in. No booty view for this video. I made a promise, no booty view. But the reason, let me pull out this other one. The reason that I passed on this right here is because I have this. Alright, so these are the Concords. I want to say this is what, 2018? 18, 19, the Concords released. Alright, so I still have these. And there's just not enough of a difference for me, and to be able to say I gotta have this one too. I mean, from afar, these look like the exact same shoe. Now, of course, there's the gold everywhere on here, and then there's the black there, and the white, and then you got the Concord Jumpman there, and then on the inside here, instead of the 23 that you have Nike Air on the inside there. Let me open that up. You have the Nike Air on the inside and the 4.5 on the back. And then on the bottom, translucent outsole, of course, but you got the Concord pads, but the translucent outsole is also that blue. It's that bluish translucent outsole. Even though mine is, you know, it's a little older now. It looks like it's starting to yellow a little bit, which I don't mind. I don't mind that. Have rocked these. They are a little dirty there on the bottom. Have rocked these. But yeah, man, I just didn't see it being enough of a difference for me to cop these when I have these. All right, let's put those down. Look at the bottom here. Same translucent outsole, but this one is that kind of milky, you know, almost off-white color there. All right, which I think will look fine even as they age and they begin to yellow a little bit. It'll look almost the same. This kind of takes away that aging process because it's already that color. All right, but instead of the Concord pads in the bottom, you have black pads there. All right, good traction. Then you can see through the translucent outsole there, you see that Jumpman right there. Carbon fiber plate. All right, very nice. Very nice shoe, man. I ain't mad at it. I ain't mad at it. What I was really hoping, I'm not gonna lie to you all, what I was really hoping was that I didn't open up this shoe and take a look at it myself for my brother and like it myself. So then I'm gonna be like, damn, I gotta order them. I gotta order them here in a few weeks. But nah, I think I'm good. I think I'm good. They're very similar to what I have here in the Concords. All right. So I think I'm good. Please don't judge me if you see this pair in my collection or if you see me like this on Instagram. Don't judge me, okay? But right now, I think I'm good. But you know what we gotta do now? We gotta take the... No, I'm just kidding. I was just doing that for my brother. I'm not taking these bad boys on feet. But that's gonna do it for this one, man. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly, truly appreciate it. More content is on the way. And I'll holler at you all in the next video. Did you guys go for these? Did you hit? Let me know in the comments below. Peace.